Hi everybody, welcome back to my channel. So it's been 7 weeks since I started using salicylic acid on my scalp. I saw some positive changes. I thought I will do this video. I thought I will share my experience with you guys. Maybe this video will help somebody. So what is salicylic acid? Salicylic acid is a beta hydroxy acid or BHA. Salicylic acid is oil soluble. Not only it exfoliates the top layer of your skin, but it exfoliates your pores from inside because it's oil loving, it's oil soluble. If you have really oily scalp, salicylic acid is oil soluble. It controls excess sebum. If you have dandruff, salicylic acid also helps with that. If you use a lot of products on your scalp and your hair, like dry shampoo, different styling products, they can leave buildup behind. Salicylic acid helps with that. Salicylic acid helps remove all that buildup. If you have acne on your scalp, because salicylic acid penetrates deep into your pores, it helps with acne. Salicylic acid also controls DHT. DHT prevents follicle growth. Salicylic acid helps with that. Also, salicylic acid unclogs your pores. It unclogs your hair follicles. So salicylic acid have a lot of benefits. If you use it the right way, it can help you. Salicylic acid can be very irritating because not only it exfoliates the top layer of your skin, it also exfoliates your pores. So I will share with you guys how I use salicylic acid without any irritation and all the positive changes that I noticed in these 7 weeks. I use this product on my face. This one from Paula's Choice, 2% BHA liquid exfoliant. This has 2% salicylic acid. I use this product on my face. This is a leave-on product. You don't rinse your face after applying this. I decided not to use this product on my scalp because my scalp is sensitive and this is a leave-on product. So I decided not to use this. I decided to go with a salicylic acid shampoo. I purchased this one from this brand name MG217. I think that's the brand name. This has 3% salicylic acid. The reason why I started using salicylic acid on my scalp was my scalp was getting more and more oily and salicylic acid helped control excess sebum. And because my scalp is getting more and more oily, I was experiencing dandruff and I was experiencing acne on my scalp. And it's been 7 weeks since I started using this salicylic acid shampoo. And not only this cleared my scalp acne, it cleared all the dandruff. This also helped with my oily scalp. Salicylic acid don't help directly with hair fall, but because it unclogs your pores, it helps with excess sebum, acne bacteria. It can be helpful if you're experiencing hair fall. So this is how I use salicylic acid on my scalp. First 2 weeks, I only use this shampoo once a week. No, this is not the kind of product that you use every day. Salicylic acid can be very irritating, and this is also a clarifying shampoo. You don't want to use a clarifying shampoo every day. So first 2 weeks, I only used it once a week. This is how I used it. I lathered it on my scalp. I left it on my scalp for like 3 to 4 minutes, and then I rinsed it with water. Because I experienced no irritation using this shampoo on my scalp, I decided to use it 2 times a week. So in my 3rd week, I started using it 2 times a week, and now I use it 2 times a week. I experienced no irritation using it 2 times a week. And in my experience, this did wonders for my oily scalp, my dandruff, and the acne I was experiencing. So I will definitely continue to use this. And like I said, salicylic acid don't help directly with hair fall, but because it takes care of your scalp, it takes care of the health of your scalp, it can be helpful if you're experiencing hair fall. I'm not experiencing hair fall since I started using rosemary essential oil on my scalp. My hair fall stopped completely. I use rosemary essential oil on my scalp. I did a whole video about this topic. I will leave the video link in the description, first link in the description. You can check that video out. It will be the first link in the description. I will highly recommend you to check the video out. If you want to know how I use rosemary essential oil, that video is in detail. But yeah, since I started using rosemary essential oil, I don't experience hair fall anymore. The day I use salicylic acid on my scalp, I do not use rosemary essential oil. Do not mix these products because salicylic acid can be very irritating and rosemary oil can be irritating too. So two together, I won't recommend you that. So the day I use salicylic acid, I do not use rosemary essential oil. But yeah, I will highly recommend you to give salicylic acid a try if you have oily scalp, if you use a lot of products and those products leave buildup behind. You can try salicylic acid because it helps with buildup. If you have dandruff, acne, I will recommend you to give salicylic acid a try. And I will recommend you to buy a salicylic acid shampoo, not a leave-on product, because this product is not made for your scalp and your hair. This can dry out your hair really bad. This is made for your hair. This has ingredients like panthenol. Panthenol is very soothing and very calming. Even though this is shampoo plus conditioner, I find it very drying. So leave-on product can be very drying. I won't recommend you to use a leave-on product. My experience with salicylic acid was great. Not only it helped with my oily scalp, it helped with my dandruff and acne as well. So yeah, I will continue to use this. Again, use it once a week. See how your skin reacts to it. Then maybe use it twice a week. Not more than that. Don't use more than twice a week because not only this can be very irritating, but it will dry out your hair. Salicylic acid can be very drying because it's oil soluble. So no need to use more than 2 times a week. But yeah, I will definitely recommend you to give salicylic acid a try. I forgot to tell you guys, you can also use this shampoo under your arms and between your thighs because salicylic acid kills the bacteria that break down sweat and then we smell bad. So you can use this on your underarms and between your thighs. This can actually replace your deodorant. So I will definitely recommend you to try salicylic acid on those areas. Again, try it once a week, then maybe twice a week, then maybe 3 times a week, but give your skin a lot of time to adjust with salicylic acid. So yeah, my experience was great and I will highly recommend you to give salicylic acid a try. I really hope this video will help somebody. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.